Earthquake in Greece. A strong earthquake of magnitude 6.3 was recorded today, 3rd March 2021, in central Greece near Tirnavos, north of Athens and Larissa. The US Geophysical Institute announced the epicenter of the earthquake was identified 10 kilometers northwest of Tirnavos, a town about 360 kilometers north of the capital and about 20 kilometers north of Larissa. The earthquake struck at a depth of 10 kilometers. For now, there is no news of victims. This is all. Excuse me for my terrible English, for my terrible pronunciation, but I'm an Italian boy. Thank you everyone, and bye bye.